Hello, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create a portfolio. Now, what do I mean by portfolio? I'm going to show you how to document your projects, your work, so that when a client come and ask you for your work, what have you done? Show me what you've done. You can be able to give them, you can be able to present it to them. This is what I desire to achieve in this video. So if you watch till the end of this video, you're going to learn how to create your portfolio, document your projects, and how to give it to clients when they want it. So let's go straight into our work. So the first thing you need to do is, let's assume you're a copywriter, you're a content writer, and you want to get employment from a client. You've already written the proposal and everything. The next thing the customer asks is, create give me your portfolio. Let me see your portfolio. Project have you done? So it is very intelligent that you do this. Now the first thing you need to do is to go over to and gather all your project. Now if you don't have a project, not to worry, but probably you have a project. If you have copies you've written before or content you've written before, your job is to gather it in one place and make it accessible. But if you don't have anyone, I'm going to show you how to do a quick walk so that you can actually get the job done. So the first thing we need to do is to go to this app called ChatGPT. We are going to be using AI for this work. We are going to be using AI for this work. So the thing we are going to do now is we're going to tell AI, kindly create or you're just going to tell you, I am a copywriter. I am a copywriter who has done various jobs. Kindly create a portfolio folders. Kindly create portfolio folders. You know, kindly create portfolio folder. Or you can even say something. Imagine can just imagine I am a copywriter. Imagine I am a copywriter who have done. Kindly create portfolio folders. Kindly create portfolio folders where I can document different types of my work. So let's go. Just tell it to do this work and it just does it for us. So let's go. All right, so you can see what it's doing for us. It is creating our folders for us. This is how to do it. It's creating our folders for us. Now, very, very good. So you can see. So what you need to do now, as this thing is creating, all you just need to do now is time for you to document your work. You can see how it's doing it. Print copies, different copies. This is a well detailed portfolio folders, and you probably should fill up most of these things for you to be really for people to really say that I'm a very good you're a very good copywriter and I would like to work with you. You must be able to fill up everything here. So how do you do that? Now you just go to this application called Google Docs, Google Drive. You go to Google Drive and you create a new folder. And you just name it projects or copywriting. Let's put it in capital letter, copywriting projects, and you just go and it does that for you, and you've already created your copywriting project. So it is empty now. So the first thing we need to do now is we need to add another project. What do? We left click and we create a new folder. Now what folder are they telling us? Sales copy. Then we'll copy it here, sales copy. Just copy sales copy. Just copy this sales copy, then we'll go over here, then we'll paste it. Create. It has already created it for us. Beautiful. The next thing, we'll go inside that one, Then we'll create another folder inside it. What is the sub there? Sales page, sales page, sales page. Copy and words. We paste it here. Sales page. So this is, you already have sales page in this one. The next one is words. The next one is words. Landing pages. That means you're showing clients different work you've done. This one is landing pages. You place it here. Then you create another one. Email sales campaign. And copy and paste it here. Now, because of time, we are just going to leave this one. This is just sales copy. Then let's go over to that copywriting project again. Now, the next thing, we need to now go and look for another subheading. Let's go to digital advertising, copy, and create another folder here. Open, then a new folder. Then we'll go inside here and create the subs. Then maybe Facebook and Instagram ad. Maybe you've done some Facebook and Instagram ad for some client before. This is where you document it. Now, if you must be a good copywriter, then you can't afford to be lazy, because if you really want to take this as a job for a particular time, then you need to be up and running, and that is why you need to get this done. This is like your personal document. This is like your Goliath head, whereby you show people the proof that you are good at what you do. So we are just going to do three under digital advertising. Correct. Then we'll go back to this one. Then we'll go and create another folder again here. So what do? We left click. What is happening? We click on this, trying to left click is not working. Okay, it's good now. Left click. Then we'll find another one. Content writing projects. Then we'll create another one. Then we're going to paste it here. This is content writing project. Then we'll go inside content writing. Then we're going to pick blog posts. No, blog posts. We're just going to pick 2 here. Then we'll just start filling up the stuff. Then I'll show you how to do more things. Blog posts, articles. Then you can view. Then the last one is SEO content. Then we'll just go here and create a folder here. Then we'll paste. Then guess what has happened now? Guess what is happening when we come over to our copywriting projects? They see a lot of things. Like if you have already done many things, they will see different ones. Then when we click on sales copy, let me see sales copy this guy has written. You see sales page, you see landing page, you see email campaigns. Now, if you have done other ones, you may see video VSL, video sales letter, advertorial. Now they say, this guy is good. Then they will now click here. When they click here, they will see sales page. Probably this is another place where the work starts. This is another place where the work starts. So the next thing you need to do, okay, if you don't have any work, maybe you can just go back. In digital marketing, they are seeing different work. They go over to content, they are seeing different work. So now is the time for us to start creating, to start filling up these things. So now let's write one sales letter. Let's write one so just tell this AI, kindly write a demo sales page to document in my portfolio. To document, or you can even what niche are we going to use? In the relationship and dating niche. So we just, one thing about AI is your servant. It does the work for you. So this is just like a work you have done. It's just like a work you have done in the past. You understand? This is just like a work you've done in the past. So AI is just helping you document all these things. Probably this was how you wrote the copy. This was how you will. So our goal is for us to document our sales page. Now, what are we going to do? The next thing we'll just do is to come here and create a new document. We'll go over to another app called Google Docs. Then we click here, we create here, and we'll name our copy sales letter for um what is the name of the product. Let's see what the product is. The name of the product. Hear from people who are transformed. Okay, let's introducing the 30 days love revival blueprint. So very good. So we'll just copy it here. I'll say sales letter forwards love revival blueprints. Bim. And what do? We just come back to our AI. Come back to our AI and do what? And just copy everything that is here. Basically, this is just it. And we just what? Paste it here. Beautiful. Then maybe increase it for any of our potential clients that will be seeing it. You understand? So this is one of our copies. So what do we do next? The next thing we need to do is to like download it as PDF. And when it downloads as PDF, then we'll just come back here. When it comes back here, we'll just go over to this place. When we come back here, then we'll just go and find the files. We'll find the files. Where will I find the files? Then in downloads. Then you just carry the file here, then take it over to your place. And guess what? Before you know it, you already have a sales letter. So when a client come and open this sales letter here, client just sees your work. Wow, headline. Or you're not supposed to use all these things. So you're going to edit all these things like headline, subheadline. You're going to remove all those things when you're trying to document your stuff. And all these things like get instant access, you're going to remove all those things. Now this is for you to be even able to do this. That means you can even eventually write a good copy even when the client give you the work. For you to have a solid portfolio of many things, like 11 things you've done with subfolders. In this one alone, we have in sales copy, we have already sales page, landing page, sales letter. Now ChatGPT or any AI can do this thing for you. You just need to be diligent to create this thing. You can see this one. We've done a beautiful work here. And the client will just look at it. This is beautiful. And the next thing you need to do, you need to know how to give your clients the link, so that when the clients open the document, they can have access to it. Now, for example, if I go here and for example, if you want to share this link, now this is the URL. Let me copy this URL and paste it in. Let me find a browser that I don't really use, that doesn't have my Google. I'll just paste it in a random browser like this. So let me open it. You understand? So okay, it's asking me for using another account. So all right, so you can see I'm just trying to log in my stuff, and after I log in, okay, so let's paste that stuff again. I paste that link to get access to your portfolio. So this is what is going to show me. You need access. So if I start writing, if your client needs access to your work, it's not supposed to be full. You can see here, access denied. It's clearly written, access denied. So you want to avoid this access denied, and you want to avoid making your clients ask you for access. So the next thing, what you do is to go to your browser. You go to this place where you're supposed to share the link, and you go and find them. What do you find again? You're going to find is this settings, because you want to share this stuff. So let's go over to So where is my work? Projects, copywriting projects, copywriting projects. So where is that work again, sir? Copywriting project. So we're just going to search for it. I'm just going to search copywriting projects. Okay, I'm going to search for it here. This is it, copywriting project. So you're going to click on this yeah, you're going to go here, click on this down drop, then click on share. And when you click on share, you click on share like this, and you can see what it's telling you. So you just go here to general access. Instead of clicking restricted, click anyone with the link can view. So the next thing you do is to click on done. So now this is the link, this is the URL. Like, let's even find the URL. Like, you want to share, you copy your link, and maybe I am the client and you gave me this link, and I come here and I just come here and paste your link. This is what I'm supposed to see. I'm supposed to see your work immediately. This is what I'm going to be seeing. You understand? So it's as easy as ABC. So I've already seen your work, I've already seen what you've done and all. So the person can even see when you modified last and all. So that is why it's always good to create your portfolio before time, so that the time is probably many months ago, so that it wouldn't just look like you're rushing to create your portfolio because of you met, you know, you want to get their job. So the next thing is, maybe your client wants to like see the kind of copies you have, your sales led copies. The client just click here, sales copy, and the client says, okay, I don't want email, I don't want landing page, I just want a sales page. And he clicks here, and the client is already seeing something called sales letter for love this thing, and the person clicks here, and the person just sees that your work you've already done. Wow, say, wow, this is beautiful. Okay, I'm going to give you the job. So with that being said, this is how to do create a portfolio and document your stuff. And now you can, this link, do you know you can actually put this link in your website? Maybe you have a website, you can just add this link in your website, so that when anybody click that, access your portfolio, that person will just see your work immediately from your website. So that is not a topic for today, but I hope you got value. Please, if you got value, let me know in the comment section. Just type, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. It will help us a lot so that we can grow our followers, and you can also get to see when I post a new video. With that being said, take care of yourself, and remember to watch the next video. It's going to be an insightful one as well.